sorting them out into little groups.
Now, if there are any peregrines, they would be in with the birds of prey.
Would they?
Yeah.
Right, we've got another bird of prey one here somewhere. Yeah. Have a look and see if there's any in here. But I rather think they've put them all out.
Yeah. Well, I can order some new ones.
Yeah.
And they always tend to take a while.
Yeah.
The first time that you just these are dodgy moved by the kids.
Sorry? Well, I usually, if I can get hold of
Are those any good, those bushmills?
Yeah, they would be. I'm not sure I'm looking at those. Where's the tree?
Yeah. To the right of the second cliff then. Okay. You'll have the youngsters fly right over. No, it was. I've had a good scan through the antlers and I can't.
No, I can't see it.
I can't see it. From the nest out, there's no sign of it. I mean, there's 5 of them. You think we'll be able to find one of them?
6 actually. Shouldn't
Six.
it be 6?
Oh, that's right. They had 4, didn't they?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Not unless we've got a virgin peregrine. Have we a virgin Mary peregrine?
Yeah, that's the best they've done since the 1980s. That having 4. Previous year they only did 1,
Right.
but that was their first year breeding. It was a new pair. The old pair had held this territory for about over 10 years.
With my
The old pair hadn't been fertile, they're not bred, and that's kind of what happens. They stop breeding, they weaken. Another pair comes in, they have an almighty scrap. But historically, there's proof that they've been here for the last 730 odd years. Because there's a parish project in Bath.
I think is it 450 going back?
Are you guys into RSPB? Are you like this? Terrific. You get right.
That's a very expensive.
This is a summary of everything that we're doing in the southwest. So I don't know. Right. Yeah. This has sort of been the pattern for the last few days. I might have to go and get my umbrella out.